You asked, and I'm here to answer. Hi guys, how you doing? Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Yep, I'm here to answer all the questions that you asked me last week, right? I'm very excited to do this video because I really like to know how you guys think, where you guys at, how you guys feel, and where is it that you need most help from me. So when I do or when I post on my community, I really appreciate your feedbacks. And please, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe so that you get the notifications. Then you'll be able to know when I upload something, whether in terms of videos or community post. All right, so let's get to the first question. And the first question is from Ebo. It's from Ebo Hlengwane. And Ebo asked me, how do you pay tax from the money you make from trading? I have not yet paid tax, Ebo. Reason being is that Forex traders are not taxed like every other working adult human being in South Africa. An adult working human being in South Africa pays payee. Is the kind of tax is called payee, which means pay as you earn, and that tax is deducted monthly on their salary, right? Or if I'm not mistaken. But Forex traders cannot be charged tax this way. Reason being is that we do not have a specific amount that we earn monthly. What I made this month is not the same as I made last month. It may be higher, it may be lower, so it depends. So we cannot be charged monthly because there's no specific amount that we can be charged tax based on when it comes to this point of view. So Forex traders pay provisional tax, and they only pay that tax at the end of the year. As for me, last month was my first year trading Forex, so I have not yet paid tax. And guys, make sure that your bell notification is turned on. After subscribing, there's something like bell nyana that pops up there. Make sure that you click it. Next week, actually, I'll be, I think on Friday this week, yeah, I'm gonna upload a full video that includes everything that you need to know as an aspiring trader or as a Forex trader in terms of paying your taxes. Since I'm also on the same process, I'm also learning, I'm also discovering, and I would like to share that with you all. So make sure that your bell notification icon is turned on. Do you have an accountant or do you manage everything yourself? I will have an accountant. I have to get an accountant at some point in my life because I'm doing a lot. I don't only trade Forex, I'm also a business. I have a natural hair business, and I'm also doing other sorts of financial investments elsewhere. So I really need an accountant, and I also need to get a financial advisor. If you do not know, an accountant and a financial advisor are two different people. A financial advisor is a person who advises you based on your investments, and an accountant is a person who gives you best solution based on tax. Thank you for your question, Ebo. I hope that you are satisfied with the way that I answered your questions, because there were two. And it was quite a smart one. I really loved your question. The next one is from Bumi. Hey sis, hey. Bumi asked, any tips for beginners, and would also like to know your strategy. Sometimes it feels like there is a lot to learn. My advice to you guys, focus on charts. Focus on charts and focus on... I'm still focusing on charts. So if there's something that I can tell you guys, focus on charts and keep on journaling those trades, because there's nothing that you will learn if you are not journaling your trades. Nothing. Literally nothing. So make sure that you journal all your trades and do focus on charts. Consistency is key, but is key if you are doing the right things consistently. So make sure that you master price action. Make sure that you know market structure as you know yourself. Those strategies, millions and gazillions of strategies, no price action, no market structure. That's all I can tell you because that's all I trade. Your question, because you said also like to know your strategy. My strategy, I'm gonna be uploading a video next, maybe it will come first, I don't know, but even on that video, I'm telling you, I'm trading pure price action. I know the market structure like I know myself right now. So yes, that's my strategy. There's no holy grail, guys. I actually revealed my strategy to you past week and I gave you the results of the strategy, but this was not news because you already knew the strategy. I use this on gold, I use it on NASA, I use this if you find me trading, you find me trading price action, and that's it. That's how I make money. That's it. And yes, for me, you feel like there's a lot to learn because there is a lot to learn. You have to just accept it and learn it. The earlier you start accepting it and get on with it, the better. There's no way that you can dodge that. You have to learn because you have to know. You cannot know without learning. And yes, there's a lot to learn. So there's nothing we can do about that. We all started there. You have to, and you have to know it. You have to know it. If you don't know it, you will not get anyway. But you can know it, and you will know it. The next question is from Emerson. Hi, Emerson. He asked, "What's your trading strategy and the win rate?" I trade pure price action, Emerson, and the win rate is infinite. I cannot specify as percentage, but if I were at say something around 88%, 90%, because the thing is, I do not hop in and hop out with my strategy. The only way or the only time the strategy does not work is when the monthly candlestick is producing a doji candle. A doji candle means, or it says that it's rejecting, and it's not rejecting a specific direction, but it's rejecting all direction. It's rejecting the buys, it's rejecting the sells. So then the market is indecisive. Then to me it becomes a bad trading month, but I cannot basis on the trading strategy. No, it was just a bad trading month, you see, because as far as I understand Forex, even a daily trader experiences losses this month. Actually, everyone I think who trades Forex experiences some kind of losses this month, no matter what strategy you are using, but you experience. And if you are using those small strategies that hop you in and hop you out of the market, you will experience more losses because you do not know what is going on. You do not understand the structure broadly. You have got information, if this makes sense. So that is the only way where the strategy will not work. And that's, for me, does not actually usually happens. It does not. it rarely happens. Even if you yourself, you can just go to your charts any pay and look at the monthly candlesticks, you will see that the monthly candlesticks are barely dodges, are barely dodgy candles. They are always up or down. So it's very difficult to give it a win rate in that manner. But I do experience a bad trading month sometimes. So the strategy is pretty good. It's pretty good. And what makes it more lucrative is that if you know price action, you saw on my last video, I gave you guys the strategy. I gave you the direction 3 weeks prior. 3 weeks prior, before everything played out, I gave you the strategy. So I gave you the direction, but I also gave you the strategy. So if you know price action, you can capitalize a lot. Actually, you should have, or you could have capitalized a lot on that movement, okay? Because each and every day you could have added another trade. Your first initial trade and entry would have been to the targeted area, but then again, after the next day, you could have added another trade. Imagine holding all those trades for 3 weeks. How many days are those? The market just keeps on going down. How much is that? How much is that? So my strategy is very lucrative, and that's it. In myself, I just trade pure price action, and I'm gonna keep it this way, because you find people complaining after a while, my strategy is no longer working. Of course, after some time, the strategy will not work because the market conditions will not be the same. But if you understand price action, if you understand structure, there's no way that you can reach a point in time. I don't believe there's a time that can just come for you and you are unable to make money in the markets, because you know how to read price as it happens. So the next question is from Pakamile Noganzi. Hi Paga, how you doing? So Paga is saying, I must say that I have always thought that a lady would make a proper trading teacher for me. Oh, thank you. And shout out to all the female Forex traders out there. Keep on doing the good work that you do, ladies. I see you. He says, I haven't learned anything from all other guys I've seen on Tube. Maybe it's because you just don't understand them. They are not for you, but they are not necessarily bad traders or bad teachers. It does happen sometimes that you find that a person is just not for you. And it's fine. Not everyone is for you. Even for me, if you find my videos lucrative, you are learning something, bravo, that's good, because there's someone who can hear me, but not everyone will hear me. That is why someone will not be here. Someone will not enjoy this video. Actually, someone will not even hear what I'm saying. You should get in here and come out here. So there's someone for everyone. So shout out to everyone who's trying to help someone to get somewhere in their Forex journey, guys. As long as you are doing it right. Don't play with people. Just do the right thing. Do it right. Do it with integrity. From one video, I've already learned that greed is an account killer. It is. And I've been guilty of greed, leading to many blown accounts. I've only one question. Please shoot. How do you make $3 from risking $1 every day? How do you make $3 from risking $1 every day? I'm glad you asked. If I'm correct, you said you started with $30. Please teach me, master. He called me master, you guys. I feel like a karate kid right now. You see this karate kid and Jackie China. I feel like, whew. Thank you, but I don't think I'm there yet. It's getting there, but I'm not a master yet, believe me. Oh? But I'm glad you asked this question. Yes, everyone, I think everyone knows my story. I started because I was too broke to even fund an account. And that's been one of the beautiful blessings that the Lord has given me. And I'll always be grateful for being this broke. Because I wouldn't have turned to be the trader that I am today. I wouldn't have the mindset that I have today. I wouldn't be this person that you know today. Actually, maybe we could have never have crossed paths, so me and you. So yes, I'm glad that I was in this kind of situation back then, because I'm here today and I'm happy today and I'm able to make money today. So I took this $30 from XM. By the way, guys, I used to share a link, an XM link here on my on my channel at the end of all my previous videos, like the videos that I made a couple of months ago. I used to share a link that because I want everyone who did not have money to fund their accounts but want to learn how to trade Forex and make money from themselves to get that opportunity, the same opportunity that I did. But then after a while, I discovered that XM does not give that $30 anymore to South African citizens. I don't know why is that, but it's no longer available. Or the last time I checked, it was no longer available. So if $30 is all that you wanted to get from XM, that is why you went on that link, then you don't have to click the link no more, because the $30 is no longer there. So yes, I had to push that out. I'm not promoting XM, they don't even know me. From my experience, it's a good platform for beginner Forex traders who don't understand nothing. If you just want to take a trade and make profits, set up a target, it's very easy to use, guys. But if $30 is all that you were after, then don't use the link no more. But then to answer you, Paga, it's called risk to reward ratio. What do I mean by that? Just like I did on my last video, if you can watch my last video, you will see where I entered and where I exited. And if you can just calculate the risk to reward there, it's bigger, it's even better now, because I've grown so much. But it started from being consistent with me losing less and winning more. You get that by being precise with your entries. You have to master your entries in order to get a better risk to reward ratio. And also, I don't take any trade in the market. That is why I don't hop in and hop out, because those trades usually don't have a very good risk to reward. So I don't take any trade that is available. I take specific kinds of trades. And for me to show you that, actually, I would need to have like you here and show you this is how I do this. But I have briefly explained on my previous videos. I'm gonna link them here on the description box. You're gonna go ahead and watch them, and after watching them, you'll get a clue. But for me to precisely like show you, you would have be here in front of my chest, and then I like show you, okay, this is how you enter, and this is how you do it, and this is how you do it. This is where your setup should. This is how your setup should be, and this is where you should exit, and then yeah, you get to see how I did it. But if you watch even my last video, by seeing where my stop loss would be and seeing where my profits was, you'll get it. You'll see this person has been doing this thing of good risk to reward ratios for quite a long time now, and she's killing it. Don't take my flowers from me, you guys. Don't take my flowers from me. If I'm killing it, I'm killing it. Yeah, it's not a crime, right? Thank you so much for your questions, guys. And remember, guys, you will make it. After it's all, you will make it. I remember I watched some video a while ago, and I did not know anything about Forex back then. And my head was even spinning because too much information. Exactly what Mpumi was saying. Mpumi, girl, it's possible, it's doable, it's doable. I was where you were not so long ago, and it was so much information and there was so much to learn, but I learned it. I'm here today, so if I did it, you can do it too. And someone came in front of me and said, at the end of the day, you will get it. And I chose to believe. This gave me much hope that at the end of the day, it was too good to be true, at least to my mind. It was too good to believe, looking to where I was, but I chose to believe it anyway, and I chose to work towards achieving it each and every day. Sometimes I would wake up midnight, you guys, chasing those midnight data, download videos, watch, because I didn't even have money for a mentor. So yeah, that's how deep it was. That's how deep I got it. I would wake up at 12 midnight and be on it each day, every day, each day, every day. And throughout the day, I'll be watching those videos, practicing. It was a loss, but at the end of the day, it was worth it. At the end of the day, guys, today I want to be this person who's sitting here behind this camera and telling you guys that you will make it in the future. Don't doubt yourself. Believe in God, pray, and chase after your dreams. May the peace of God rule in your heart. I'll see you guys on the next video.